Hello kids, I hope that you have done your homework based on the previous class, and in today's class let's move further with this chapter. So till now what we have used to understand integers is the building, that is the building which contain the fun game, and also we had used the mind to understand the various problems based on integers. Next given example is the token model. So let's start and understand that what is token model. So, in Bella's building of fun, the lift attendant is bored. So, to entertain himself, he keeps a box containing lots of positive and negative tokens. So, there is a lift man who has kept a box of tokens with him. The green tokens, they are positive tokens, and the red tokens, they are negative tokens. They are minus tokens, and the value of each token is same. Okay, so each time he presses plus button, he takes a positive token from the box and put in his pocket. And similarly, when he presses negative button, he takes a negative token and he is putting in his pocket. And then he starts on the ground floor, which is 0th floor, with the empty pocket. And after 1 hour, he checks his pocket. He finds out that there are 5 positive and 3 negative coins. That means there are 5 green coins which are positive coins and 3 red coins which are negative coins. So on which floor he is now? So kids, since the value of these coins, they are same, but one is positive, one is negative, so we can do calculations based on those. So what we have to check here is he has 5 positive points. So that means he has 5 green coins and 3 red coins. So what we can do now, we have to see on which floor he is now. So we will assume that from the ground floor, that is the 0th floor, he collected 5 coins, green coins. So he took the green coins and put it in his pocket. So he has 5 plus coins. That means he has reached to the 5th floor. And from the 5th floor, now he is coming down because he is having the minus coins also. He has minus 3 coins. Okay, for minus, he has got 3 coins, 3 red coins. And now we want to know that currently he is on which floor. So this is simple. So first he went to 5th floor and then he came down 3 floors down. He came back 3 floors down. That means he is currently on the 2nd floor. He is on the 2nd floor right now. Easy. This is simple calculation we have done. Now a positive and the negative token can cancel each other because their value is same and the value of the pair together is 0. So kids, this is important here in this example, that the value of this pair token together is 0. That means one positive and one negative together, they make a 0 pair. So further, if we learn that we have to add one 0 pair, that means we are adding 1 plus and 1 minus. Okay, this is 1 0 pair. These are 2 0 pairs. These are 3 0 pairs. Okay, 0 pair means the total value of the pair is 0. Okay, now these two tokens in each pocket that he pressed plus ones and minus ones respectively and cancel each other. That is what we just learned. Now we say that a positive and a negative token make a 0 pair. Again the same thing. When you remove all the 0 pairs, you are left with 2 positive tokens. So here in the example, we are left with the 2 positive tokens here. Now we can perform any such additions using tokens. So what they are saying is we can do any addition using the tokens. So what they have done here, in this scenario, plus 5 and minus 3, there are 5 plus coins, okay, and 5 plus coins and 3 minus coins. This example we have done. Next example, let's take add plus 5, that means plus 5 plus coins, 5 green coins and 8 red coins of negative. So this is the total what we have. Now we have to add them. Okay, so when we are adding the positive and the negative here, so these 5 pairs will cancel out each other and we will be remaining with 3 minus coins. Okay, so now we are left with the 3 coins. Why? Because these positive negative, they are making 1 0 pair. So in this example, we have 5 0 pairs. The value of 5 0 pairs is 0, and now we are left with minus 3. Okay, so I hope this is clear, kids, but still I am repeating this for you. We know what is a 0 pair. Has a zero pair has one positive and one negative. Together the value is 0. Okay, now when we are adding plus 5, we are adding this plus 5 to minus 8. We are adding them. So when we are adding them here, we have 5 green coins of plus, 8 red coins of negative. Now when we are trying to make its pair, we have 5 0 pairs. So 0 pairs has the value 0, and what is remaining? Only 3 negative coins, that is minus 3. Okay, so this is how we have done this question. Now we have a figure it out based on this. Complete the additions using the tokens. So let's do A part and B part. Okay, so in A part, what we have, 2 plus 6 coins, we are adding 4 coins. Okay, plus 6 means we have, let me use another color so it will help. Wait. So we have green coins are positive 3, 4, 5, 6. We have plus 6 coins, and then again we have plus 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So kids, they do not contain any 0 pairs. So straight away we can add them and we will get 14 plus. That is 14 green tokens here. Okay. So answer to this is plus 14. Next question. Next question what we have here is I'm doing the D part. D part, minus 2 and add plus 6 to it. So that means we have 6, 5, 6. 6 plus tokens, green tokens. Also, we have 2 red tokens. Okay, now if we are adding these two, so that means what? That means we can have this as 1 pair, 0 pair, this as another 0 pair. The value of 0 pair is 0. What is left here? Plus 4. So the answer is plus 4 green tokens. Okay, so how we have to do, kids? It's very easy. Just write down the type of coin and the number of coins we have, and then we have to see how many 0 pairs are there. We will remove the 0 pairs and the value which is left is the answer. Okay, now second question is the cancel the 0 pairs in the following 2 set of tokens. On what floor is the lift attendant in each case? What is the corresponding addition statement in each case? So now here, let me erase this. In the second question, we have 2 parts again. So let's take the first part. So kids, what we have here is we have 3 positive coins. To this, we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negative coins. This is the addition statement which is required. And now let us see how many 0 pairs are there. This is 1 0 pair, this is second 0 pair, this is third 0 pair. Value of the 0 pair is 0. So we are left with minus 2 here. Okay, so the floor attendant is on second floor, minus 2 floor. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's do B part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 positive. To this, we are adding 3 negative. Okay, this is the expression addition statement required. And now let us see how many zero pairs again. 1, 2, 3. 3 zero pairs. That means we can straight away ignore this because the value will be 0. And we are left with 3 positive. So we have 3 plus tokens. That means the attendant is on the third floor. Attendant is on third floor plus 3. So this is how we have used the tokens for addition, right? We have learned that how we are using the tokens for addition here. In all these cases, we have added, we have used the addition operator. Okay, now in the second example, what we have to do is we are using the tokens for subtraction. Now we have to subtract. We have seen how to perform addition of integers with positive tokens and negative. We can also perform the subtraction using them. Let's see how. We have plus 5, that is plus 5 greens. From this, we are subtracting plus 4. So straight away we can cancel and we are left with plus 1. Easy, simple addition. Okay, simple subtraction, sorry. Now, in the second case, we have minus 7. So that is 7 red coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And from this minus 7 coins, we are subtracting 5 coins of minus. Okay, so in this case, what we are doing, we are straight away cutting because we have enough tokens to subtract. And then we are left with only 2 negative tokens. This is also easy. Now, kids, this one is important. Let's see what it says. Let us subtract plus 5 from plus 6. Okay, so what we have here, we have 6 tokens. So 1, 2, 3, sorry, we have 5 tokens, 5 positive tokens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is given to us is 5 positive tokens. From this, we have to subtract 6 positive. But we do not have 6 positive here. Okay, so in this case we don't have 6 positive. So how we can add, how we can make, how we can have, we can subtract the 6 positive from 5 positive. So in this case what we are going to do is we are introducing, or we can say we are adding one extra zero pair. This is the zero pair which we are adding to these already present 5 green coins. Okay, so now when we are adding this, we will have 6 positive and we can easily subtract this 6 positive. Remaining will only be this minus. Okay, so again, let me tell you how we have done this question. See kids, we have plus 5 and minus plus 6 from here. Okay, this is example 3. Plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are plus 5 coins we have. We have to subtract plus 6, which, but we have 5 only. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add one zero pair. One zero pair means one set of positive and negative. Okay, so now after adding the zero pair, we all these coins, we have all these coins with us. Now what we have to do is we have to subtract plus 6 from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have subtracted 6 positives and we are left with only 1 negative. This is the answer. Okay. So kids, you need a lot of practice to do such questions, but believe me, they are very easy and fun to do. Now let's start with the figure it out first question. Evaluate the following differences using tokens. Check that you get the same result as with other methods you know. Okay, so let us pick, let me pick question B first. We have minus 8. From this, you have to subtract minus 4. See, kids, I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 negatives. This represent 8 negatives. And from this, we have to subtract 4 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have subtracted 4 negatives. And what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negatives are remaining. This is the answer here. Okay, this is the answer. Next, let's do D part. In D part, we have plus 9 minus plus 12. Okay, so this is similar to the example we did. We have plus 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 positives. From these 9 plus tokens, we have to subtract 12 tokens, but we have 9 only. So that means how many pairs of 0 we are going to add? Here we are going to add 3 pairs. So let me add 1, 2, 3. Right? So when I am adding 3 0 pairs to it, after that we will have 12 positives with us, so we can subtract them. Okay, see again, we had 9 positives given to us, but we have to subtract 12 positives from this. So first of all, we are adding the 0 pairs to it. How many? 3, because adding 3 to 9 will make it 12. So we are adding 3 0 pairs. Now after adding the 0 pairs, I have this whole set, 12 positive and 3 negative coins. Now I can remove these 12 coins from here. Why? Because I have to subtract 12 coins. I have subtracted, and what is remaining? 3 negative coins. This data, this is remaining. So answer is minus 3. This is D part. Okay, so kids, I hope that you are understanding this. And let me take one more question from this. Wait. Let me pick F, the last part. Minus 2 minus minus 6. So I have only 2 coins of minus, and I have to subtract 6 coins from this. So again, it is not possible. What we'll have to do? We'll have to add 4 0 pairs to it to make it 6 negative. So 1 minus 1 plus 2, 3 and 4. So what we have done here, we have added 4 pairs, 4 0 pairs here. And now I can subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is remaining? These many coins. Answer is plus 4, because 4 coins are remaining here. Okay. So this is how we have to do this question. Second question also, kids, I will do just one part because this is similar to what we have just done in first question. So question number 2, I'm taking here, okay, let me take C part here. We have minus 7 minus minus 9. Similar, this is similar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 minus coins and we have to subtract 9. So that means first, to make 9 negatives, we have to add 2 0 pairs, right? And now after adding the pair, this is the whole set I have. 9 minus coins and 2 positive coins. So I can easily subtract the 9 minus coins, and the remaining is plus 2 coins with this. Okay, so this is plus 2 here. Also, kids, let me take one more question. Let me take the F part of this question here. We have plus 3 and minus 15 from this, plus 15. Okay, so we have plus 3 only. And what do we want here? We want to subtract 15 positive coins, which we don't have. So that means how many pairs we'll have to add? We will have to add 12 pairs here, kids. 12 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this I'm doing. This one is 15th. Okay. So now I have how many? I have 15 plus coins and I have 12 minus coins. Why? Because I have added 12 to it, right? 12 zero pairs I have added. So now I can subtract the positive. I have 15 plus coins now, which I can subtract. What is remaining? Remaining are 12 minus coins. Okay, so you got what I have done here. I have added 12 pairs of 12 zero pairs to plus 3 coins to make 15 plus coins. Then I can easily subtract the 15 from this. So 15 is subtracted and we are left with 12 negative coins. Okay, so this part is also done. Now, next question what we have here is, yeah. So kids, again here they have given another example of using the zero pairs. So let's do one thing. Let's start with this and do the figure it out. Okay, the last figure it out. I'm picking this because these are the same thing. So here question number 1, try to subtract minus 3 from plus 5. So how we have to do? We have 3 minus coins, 1, 2 and 3. And we have to subtract plus 5 coins from this. Okay, so when we are going to subtract plus 5 coins from this, we don't have plus 5 coins here. Okay, so since we don't have plus 5 coins there, what we are going to do? We will have to add the minus, 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 plus, 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 and plus. Okay, so we will have to add the plus 5 coins. We have to subtract, sorry, we have to subtract the 5 plus coins. So I have to add plus 5 coins because currently we don't have any. So that means we have added the 5 zero pairs. We were provided with minus 3 coins, and from this we have to subtract plus 5 coins. We do not have plus 5 coins, so we are adding the 5 zero pairs like here we have done. So now when we are doing like this, what we'll have is, we will have minus, from this minus 3, we are subtracting this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will have 8 minus coins here. Okay, in this scenario we will have 8 minus coins. How many zero pairs will you have to put in? So in this case we will have to put in the 5 pairs. Okay, so we'll have minus 8 coins and we have plus 5 coins, but these plus 5 coins we have to subtract, so these are subtracted and we are left only with minus 8 coins. Okay, easy. We had minus 3, we added 5 pairs because we didn't have plus 5 here, we didn't have plus 5 tokens, so we are adding the pairs. Then we are subtracting this plus 5 because now we have plus 5 with us, and the remaining are the 8 minus coins. Okay, so all these are similar questions. Get from question number 2 also. I am picking E part. We have plus 6, subtract minus 4 from this. Okay, so just wait. Yeah, plus 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have plus 6 coins. We have to subtract minus 4. We do not have any minus coins, but we want how many minus coins? 4. That means we have to add the 4 zero pairs. So here I am adding 4 zero pairs. I am adding 4 zero pairs because we want 4 negatives. After this, this is the whole set of coins I have. And from this, what I have to do? I have to remove minus 4. So minus 4 is removed. We are left with this 6 plus and this 4 plus. That is plus 10 coins. Okay. So this is how we have to do this question, kids. Now what we have is, rest of the questions we have done the similar questions above. So we have to see that what value is given to us, whether that can be accommodated in our operation. If not, then we have to add the zero pair. Okay, we will see how many number of how many zero pairs we have to add. After adding the zero pairs, then we have to do the subtraction of the number given to us. If it is positive, we have to subtract the positive tokens. If it is in negative, we have to subtract the negative tokens, and then we have to add up or sum up the remaining tokens. That will be our answer. This is how we have done till now. And to this question, kids, rest of the questions are homework. I have done only E part, because all these questions, they are similar to what we have done above here. Okay, so this is the homework for you. If you have any confusion or any problem in understanding this, you can always mail me and I will explain it to you again. Okay, so we will move further in this chapter in the next class, and I will see you all in the next class now. Thank you.